If you're looking for background research on a topic related to current events or social issues, try the CQ Researcher database available from the GSU library. CQ stands for Congressional Quarterly and contains reports that you can search just like you would articles or books. CQ Researcher reports aren't written by Congress, they are written for members of Congress. They're designed to give legislators background and opinions on social and legal issues of the day, and they're usually concise and easy to read, which makes them great for getting up to speed on many research topics. CQ Researcher reports are written by journalists and include thorough bibliographies. They attempt to show a balanced view, presenting multiple sides of the issue they're covering. To access CQ Researcher, go to the library's website, library.gsu.edu, and click C on the A to Z databases list. Just scroll down until you see CQ Researcher. Notice there are a few different databases from CQ. The one we're covering here is CQ Researcher, not Almanac or Historic Documents. If you're working off campus, you'll need to log in with your campus ID. From the CQ Researcher homepage, there are several ways to find useful reports. You can browse by topics from the top menu, view the most popular topics from the Hot Topics list on the right, or see the most recent reports by scrolling down a little. If you haven't chosen your topic yet, these are great starting points to get ideas. If you do have your topic already, use the search box at the top of the page. If you have trouble locating a relevant report, try searching for some synonyms or related terms. Your reports appear in order of estimated relevance, but if you need to view the newest reports first, there's an option at the top of the list. The results will show you the title of the matching reports and a few words showing how your search terms appear in the reports. Pay attention to the dates, since some reports go as far back as 1991, and you may decide they're too old to be useful. Just click the report title to read it. All articles in CQ Researcher follow the same format. In the left column, you'll see links to get to different sections of the report. On the right, you'll see buttons to cite or print the report. And if you create an account on the site, you can save your favorite reports. There's also a useful list of related reports and topics. Reports include an introduction and overview and a summary of the current situation. They often include polls, statistics, and factual information. The pro-con section includes expert opinions written from opposing viewpoints to help summarize the arguments around the issue. If you're writing a persuasive speech or argumentative essay, this section is especially useful to help you understand some of the opinions held on this issue. Don't forget that you can use the sources in the bibliography to get more sources for your own paper. CQ reports include thorough bibliographies of books, articles, and other sources. Most of these sources should be available either in the library or through interlibrary loan, and some will have direct web links. Usually, a CQ report's bibliography will include annotations describing the sources used. If you have questions about using CQ Researcher, ask a librarian. We're here to help.